Welcome back with your boy Shoreman 216 on the hookup. Got me.
You hate that voicemail, don't you?
Nah, got school in the morning. Welcome back with your boy Shoreman 216 on another hookup. We're gonna boat flip him. We're gonna see if he a keeper, and we're gonna get back with y'all. Welcome back with your boy Shoreman 216. We hooked up one more again. I got him. I just like the way he fighting right now. Y'all see that little hookup?
Go down in flames, huh?
And he just came off. I'll be back with y'all. I'm gonna keep hooking up like my name ain't Ben. Let's get it. Your boy Shoreman, back with you, baby. Got a decent fish on. Got a decent fish on. Got a decent one. Oh. He in there. I gotta see if this hook in his mouth or not. I might have to throw his ass back.
You got something on him?
Nah, I gotta see if the hook in his mouth.
Well, what do
Huh?
When you record, you gotta see the hook in your mouth. When you record, you just can't keep it.
Y'all see it right there in the side. Let's go. Back with you, boy. Oh, I'm sorry, yeah, you can help me. Oh, give me that fight. That's what I like. And y'all know it ain't no steelhead. I'm gonna let you know that now. I got a nice fish on. He getting close, he getting close. He getting close. Your boy back on the hookup. The Marvin Bandit. Oh, oh, fight me. That's in his mouth and in his belly. Oh no. No, 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 no. No, I ain't falling. Thank you. Get back up off them rocks. There we go. Yeah, he did. Whew. Thank you. I'm gonna be back with y'all. Welcome back with your boy Shoreman 216. We on the hookup. Yeah, I got him. Let me get him up here so y'all can see him real quick. Y'all see him right in the mouth. I'll be back with y'all. Welcome back with your boy Shoreman 216. Out here getting hooked up, baby. Nice fish, y'all. Probably a 5-pounder again. Y'all seen. Go ahead and give y'all a peek of that lure. sitting in the wind tonight, so all that bait fish rolling into me, them fish, you know, they're gonna stick around and get at it. So, you know, I'm gonna get him on the stringer. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Your boy Shoreman 216. Make sure y'all like, follow, share, and subscribe, baby. Welcome back with your boy Shoreman 216, baby. We got another nice fish on. Another nice fish, you hear me? We're gonna keep hooking up. Let me see if y'all can see some of that action. See some of that action, you hear me? Let me get him on there for y'all. Y'all see that action? Y'all see that action? Right in the mouth, baby. Right in the mouth, baby. Let's get that fish netted for y'all. Go, baby. Fucking nice ass fish, you hear me? I'll be right back with y'all. I'll bring him up here so y'all can even see him. Show y'all a little something real quick. Y'all see that? That ain't no little one. Out here getting them pigs tonight. I'll be back with y'all. Don't worry about it. Just stay on the couch. Welcome back with your boy Shoreman 216. We on another one. And another one. Y'all see that? Nothing but nice ones, baby. Straight in the mouth, you hear me? Oh, y'all hear me? Y'all know it's real when I'm working out on him. Y'all see him? Big boy. Let me get him up here so y'all can see him real quick. I said big boy, I mean big girl. Big girl. Good girl. Good girl. Woo. Y'all see that right there? Be right back with y'all. Yeah. Welcome back with your boy Shoreman 216. Out here about to try and get this bobber hook up. And got a bite on the shad. I don't know if y'all can see that little glow stick out there or not. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fish on, baby. Fish on, y'all. Fish on. We got a catfish?
I don't know what that is.
That's a catfish.
Is it?
Yep. Fish on, y'all. It's braid, I ain't worried. We all the way tangled up? Just net the fish, fuck it. Yep. Fish on, y'all. Fish on. Say we gonna get something, you heard me? Bring that fish up here so the fans can see. Yes, sir. That's how we doing it, y'all. We'll be back with y'all. Back with your boy Shoreman 216. One more again, y'all. Another catfish.
Is it?
Oh, he broke me. Net his ass. Get my hook back. He broke the bobber. Oh my gosh, look at this, y'all. Y'all see that shit?
Damn.
He snapped the bobber. He snapped my hook off. He got your boy good. I'm gonna reline and I'll be back with y'all. Welcome back with your boy Shoreman 216. Out here on the hookup. You know how we doing it. There we go, baby. Y'all see that fish? Got my boy out here and brought him to a new spot. Got him on. Let's get it. Be back with y'all. Welcome back with your boy Shoreman 216.
I had to make up my mind. I took the weight on my shoulders.
Y'all see him down there?
I've been down for so long. Sleeping from sofa to sofa.
Yep.
Now I'ma step on these little bitty bitches and some brand new Gucci low.
Y'all see that? I don't own no copyrights to this music either, y'all. We're gonna be right back with y'all. We're gonna keep getting them. Another hookup. Nice fish. Y'all seen. You ain't getting away, buddy. Oh, that's a nice fish. On a DP? You gotta be super slow rolling that. Huh? I'll say you gotta be super slow rolling that. Back with your boy Shoreman 216 on the hookup. I should be able to get him. He just on the run right now. It's a nice fish. Nice fish, baby. Y'all see him out there? Well, y'all probably can't see him. Light 9. Nah, the Parlex. Don't quote me on the name. I ain't good with the names. Y'all see him. I'll be right back with y'all. Over here. Welcome back with your boy Shoreman 216. We on a hookup. Decent fish. Y'all see him coming straight into the net. Nice little 4-5 pounder. Yes, sir. Be back with y'all. Y'all back with your boy on another hookup. And then you already know there's another nice fish on here. I'm going to go ahead and bring him in nice and slow for y'all. Let me correct my words. I'm going to bring her in nice and slow for y'all. Yeah. Yeah, after last year, I don't rush fishing no more. I wasn't in the tournament, but yeah. That's your boy Shoreman 216 for y'all, you know. I get on them nice fish and I don't stop. And I'm gonna let her get up here so y'all can see her, and then I'm gonna be back with y'all. Straight in the mouth, y'all see it. And just to let y'all know, you know, if y'all in this tournament, y'all can only allow people that's in the tournament to net y'all fish. You know, just a FYI to let y'all know. Y'all see that fish. I'm gonna be back with y'all, alright?
Some pimples on the fish.
Yeah, forget to come back with your boy Shoreman 216, baby. We out here getting hooked up. Still daylight out here, as y'all can see. I'm about to keep getting them. I'll be right back with y'all. Let's go. Back with y'all on another hookup. Oh, fuck. On another hookup. Y'all seen coming up in here? Oh, it's a snag fish, y'all. Shit, his ass so little, you could have boat flipped him. God damn. Did y'all see that? You know, y'all ain't see it. But, what did I tell you about that assassin, though? Welcome back with your boy Shoreman 216. Y'all see what I'm out here in. About to be fishing Alaskan Lake Erie, baby. Chasing them big hogs for that frog brawl. Oh boy, look what I done came across. Craziness, you hear me? Ooh, buddy. Somebody hit some power lines. I'll be back with y'all. All right, I'm sorry, y'all. I was unable to get that first hookup for y'all. But as y'all see, your boy is on. You hear me? Right in the mouth. Y'all see that? God damn, Josh. Yeah, lift it. Woo! He a little fresh on this netting in the wave, y'all, so we ain't gonna blame him. We netted that fish, got him landed. About the same size as the other one, still a decent fish. I'm gonna go ahead and get back out there and I'll be right back with y'all, baby. Let go, yee! Back with y'all on another hookup. Get him. Yeah, baby. First fish ever on that lure. Y'all see him. I'm going ahead and get him off. I'll be right back with y'all. You dig? Yee. And we on another hookup. You know, I told Unc I was gonna teach him one day, so I'm going ahead and I'm gonna teach him today. Y'all see that net game? Y'all see that net game? Hey, we'll be back with y'all. You hear me? Out here in these rough conditions. Be back. Back with your boy again. On another hookup. On another hookup. On another hookup. Another nice fish. Right there, baby. Right there, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, give me some. That was a perfect fucking net. That was a perfect fucking net. Y'all see him in there. I'm gonna be right back with y'all. Let us keep getting them. All right, y'all. My bad. I know I stopped short on the footage, but when I say it is freezing, and I mean freezing out here, but we back at it again. You know, we ain't gonna stop. Out here getting them. And all very nice, decent fish. That's probably the smallest one. Y'all see that? It's a nice one right there. Y'all see him, man. Y'all see him. Y'all see him. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna cut nothing short. We ain't gonna cut nothing short. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Welcome back to the Shoreman 216. I was not prepared, so I didn't get that one on film, but there you go. Get this puppy on the stringer. I'll be right back with y'all. Welcome back with us. We out here on a triple up. You heard me? Got y'all out here. We out here on a triple up. I got a decent fish on. Say it ain't that freight train, but you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
That's crazy. This is going back. It's small.
That's that same one? Oh, okay. Oh, you know what's so crazy? I got that fucking same paint job in a little, what is them things called? Fucking, like Berkeley hit stick or some shit. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's a good fish, y'all. Y'all see that right there? Right up in the mouth. Nah, same one. Y'all see that? Nice fish, man. We're gonna be back with y'all. Hey, yeah, shout out to my boy Pudge for the lure. You heard me? We out here getting at him, man. We're gonna be back with y'all. You heard me?
Good you don't feel it, though.
And that's tonight's results, y'all. We got out here, got to it. Still looking for that freight train, but we're gonna find her.